The warning adaptive ride control unavailable in the Tesla vehicle means that there are some software or hardware issues in the damper system. So basically the suspension can't communicate properly with the control modules. If you're lucky, this is a software glitch that you may solve by resetting the system. The only proper reset for this is through the infotainment screen. Go to controls, then choose the safety tab here and scroll down the page. Here you will see the power off button. Press it and sit for about 2 minutes without touching any buttons or pedals in your vehicle. Now press any pedal and the car will power up. Most likely this warning will disappear. I've noticed that this happens a lot after software updates and it's probably just a sensor glitch. But if this doesn't help and the problem reappears, the problem may be either with the wiring of one of the struts or with the strut itself. This is not a DIY job to inspect and repair your Tesla suspension, so a service appointment will be your best choice in this case. But hopefully the reset did the trick and saved your time and money.